What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how you can use blend tools and how you can make use of Entrude tools in Corel X7. If you have not watched my previous tutorial in Corel X7 tutorial for the beginner, from my day 1 to day 19, all you have to do is to check the video on my channel. The channel name still remains Excel Graphics and Multimedia. So when you visit, remember to subscribe. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. This is the previous tutorial. Now we start from using of blend tools. So you can make use of blend tool to blend two parts together. Let's start from rectangle. We'll go to my rectangle tools, select rectangle. Then after select rectangle, you can make a perfect rectangle like this. Then I'll go back to my tools again and select. This time around, I'm going to make use of a circle. Then I'll draw another perfect circle. Then I can align this together. Good. So one other thing I can do here is that this particular shape here, I can blend from one circle, from the circle to triangle, or from the triangle to the circle. Okay. So we can blend this together. One other thing we can do here is that we can right click to apply stroke color. So we can increase the stroke width. So let's try and see 4. Then we can change this color also to something like red. Then we can also increase the stroke width. Now to apply our blend tools, all you have to do is to go back to your tools bar and then look for blend tool. From this point here, have your blend tool. Then from this angle here, so you can drag from one point to another just to effect the blend. Something like this. Good. So you're going to have something like this blend all together. Then you can come here and control the blend style. So whichever way you want your stuff to look like, you can continue to decrease or increase the blend style. Then one other thing is that you can decrease this, or better still, you can increase it. Or something like this. So if you're satisfied with your desired result, so that is where you can just drop it down like that. So continue, have something like this. Okay, so this is how you make use of blend tools in Corel. So I can delete this and take a look at another example. One other example we're going to take a look at here is where we make use of our pen tools. So we'll go back to my tools bar and select my pen tools from this point here. Then I will select my pen tools. I can make some parts. Something like this. Then I can duplicate this. Press Ctrl D on my keyboard. Then I can rotate something like this. So this depends on what exactly I'm trying to achieve as far as this is concerned. Then I can right click to apply stroke color. Then I can come here and increase my stroke width to 8. Click on this now and apply another stroke color. Then I can increase the width. So now to blend the two parts together, the next step to take is to go back to my blend tools. Then I have to blend the two together. So you can select something like this. You're going to have something clean like this. Then from the point here, you can continue to control the wave. Stop. So if you're satisfied with the wave, then you are going to go into like this. Press P to centralize. So I can double click to create a page border. So one other thing we can do here is that this particular shape here, we can click it inside the shape. So we go to Effect, then from Effect we look for power clip, then place inside frame. Place. So we can edit the power clip if we are not satisfied with the style. So once I'm satisfied with something like this, then click on OK. So now apply color fill to any whatever color or choice, and apply it. This is just a very nice wave. This is just a very good way to create waving artwork in Corel X7. So you can as well change the color to another thing. So this is very unique and very nice to create a very unique background using Corel. So we can delete this and take a look at another example. So one other example I'm going to explain here is what we call the Entrude effect. So Entrude effect can be applied to shape style or it can be applied to text in Corel. So what I'm going to do now is try to start from text effect. So click on my text tools. So I always click on my text tool, come here and make a type. So I'm going to type my brand name Excel. Now press Ctrl A to highlight. Then I can change my font style to, let's try using this font style here. So I can increase the font size to 100%. Then I can press P to centralize. So now to apply the Entrude effect, so you have to go back to your tools bar again and click on this particular point here and look for Entrude. So this is Entrude, to select it. So having select your Entrude, you will notice that some changes around your text. All you have to do now is to come to the presets from the menu bar here. So when you select preset, this is where you determine how your Entrude will look like. And this is a very simple and easy way to create a 3D effect in Corel. So now I'm going to make use of this Entrude bottom left. So when you select it, you are going to have something like this. Then from the top here, you can control the effects from this side. So I'm going to reduce this by 4 and press enter on my keyboard. So the more you increase, the more the 3D effects go down. So I will continue like this and trying to get. So if you're satisfied with the results, then you are good to go. So you can as well change the effect. You can as well change the color. This is very much okay and very much the easy way to create a simple 3D effect in Corel. So you can as well expand the text, something like this. Then one other thing we can do is that you can go back to your presets and change the 3D effect style. You don't like this particular way here, so I'm going to select Entrude from the bottom right. So we have something like this. Then as well come here and reduce the width if you are not satisfied. Then you can change the color, sky blue, black, and this color, and apply stroke color. So we can double click to make a page border. Then we can apply background color. So we can increase the outline width of the stroke from this point here. So whichever way, this is how you make use of blend tools effects and Entrude effects in Corel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like button and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more interesting video tutorials like this in Corel Excel. Thanks for watching the video from the beginning to the end. See you soon. Bye.